What will 2026 actually look like? Forget flying cars. The real revolution is happening right now, powered by AI. I've compiled 10 shocking predictions for 2026 that will completely change how we live, work, and even think. Stick around because the future is closer than you imagine. First up, say goodbye to your cluttered home screen. By 2026, AI agents will replace most of your apps. Instead of juggling dozens of different programs, you'll have one single intelligent assistant. It will manage your emails, book your appointments, handle your travel plans, and even do your research. You'll just tell it what you need, and it gets it done. The days of opening and closing apps will feel ancient. Second, just knowing how to write a simple prompt won't be enough. That'll be like knowing how to type a basic skill everyone has. The real power will shift to those who can design and automate entire workflows. It's not about asking the AI a question. It's about connecting different AI tools together to build something new. The future belongs to the system builders, not just the prompt writers. Third, get ready for a massive shift in the job market. Many familiar job titles will either vanish or get a complete makeover. We'll see new roles like AI operator or AI supervisor. Your college degree might be outdated before you even graduate because job descriptions will change faster than ever. Continuous learning and upskilling won't just be a good idea, it will be your key to survival. Fourth, governments will finally step in. Expect strict rules everywhere. AI-generated content will have to be clearly labeled, so you'll always know if you're looking at something made by a machine. Data privacy laws will get much tougher, and businesses will be required to prove their AI systems are fair and compliant. The Wild West era of AI is coming to an end. Fifth, AI will become invisible yet omnipresent. It will be the engine running in the background of everything you do. You won't consciously think, I'm using AI now. You'll just experience faster, smarter, and more personalized services. Your favorite apps, from navigation to music streaming, will be quietly supercharged by AI without you even noticing. Sixth, get ready to talk more and type less. Voice AI will become the default way we interact with technology. It'll understand not just your words, but your tone, emotion, and intent. Imagine ordering groceries, dictating a complex report, or brainstorming ideas, all completely hands-free. This isn't just about convenience. It's a fundamental change in how we interface with the digital world. Seventh, AI will start making decisions faster and better than humans in many areas. Think about complex logistics, dynamic pricing for flights, or optimizing a factory's output. AI will handle these tasks in real time. Human oversight will still be important, but in a world where speed is a massive competitive advantage, many decisions will be delegated to machines. Eighth, the world of creativity will split into, on one side, a massive flood of AI-generated content, music, art, and articles will pour onto the internet. But this will make genuinely human creativity more valuable than ever. Authentic, original ideas and raw human expression will become a premium luxury. The artists and creators who offer true originality will stand out and command higher value. Ninth, small teams will start competing with and even beating giant corporations. AI tools will drastically reduce the need for large headcounts. A solo founder or a small, agile team will be able to build, market, and scale a business faster than ever before. This will trigger a global explosion of entrepreneurship, empowering innovators from all corners of the world. And finally, my 10th prediction. Our fear of AI will transform into a deep dependence on it. Right now, many people are worried about AI taking over. By 2026, we'll wonder how we ever lived without it. AI will become essential infrastructure, like electricity or the internet. The thought of navigating a day without your AI assistant will feel impossible. So what does this all mean for you? The next few years won't reward those who just sit back and watch. The future belongs to the adapters, the ones who learn these new tools and embrace a new mindset. Your security in 2026 and beyond will depend on your ability to work alongside AI. It's time to get ready. Thanks for watching. If you found these predictions insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more glimpses into our AI-driven future. See you next time.